Hello guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video, okay? If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis, okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Ganex 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This actually started the downtrend right from this resistance zone. Remember, I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the trade and trend maker custom made indicator. Okay, so like I was saying, this started a downtrend right from this resistance. It was unable to break out from this, so it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend and gave us a sell signal. And since then, it has been selling. Okay, it broke out below this support zone to give us more selling opportunity, and it is still selling right now. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from the next support region, then it will go back on uptrend. But for now, it is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, we will be checking it together. Okay, um, so guys, this is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we are seeing this actually went back on uptrend at this support region when it was unable to break out below it. So it went back on uptrend to get to this resistance zone. Okay, if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then it will switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we buy till it get to this. I mean, we sell till it gets to this particular support region. But if it should break out above it, then it's going to keep on buying. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. It also went on uptrend right from here, and it bought till it got to this particular spot. Okay, so right now, uh, if it breaks out below above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, but at the moment, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, um this is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone since it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it sold for a very long time, and it is still selling. Okay, so this has actually got into the support region at this spot. If it should break out below it, it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support region. Now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It was on downtrend right from here till it got to this region, and it has switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying even though the movement was a bit slow. I mean, it had been a bit slow and having some pullbacks in between, but it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.